All right, today we're working on a 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. It's 4 cylinders, 2.4 liter. Changing out the ignition coil packs and spark plugs. So it's got 4 spark plugs, 4 ignition coil packs, hence the cylinders. The coil packs are self-explanatory. Everything's on top. You don't have anything covered except for this cover that just pops off. They're held by 10mm bolts, and then usually you can just, once you get them off, slide them out. Really, you can't mix and match them really. You can move this connector right here for the high pressure fuel pump, and easy, just hit the button, click it down, and then it pushes out, so you can get it out of your way. Spark plugs are 5/8 sockets. There's 4 of them. You can go down to here. We've already got all the sockets, or all the spark plugs out, but see how bad they are. We want to change out the valve cover gaskets on it. We'll have another video for that. Again, these are held by 5/8 and then 10mm sockets for the coil packs. And make sure when you put the new spark plugs in, you want to put some anti-seize lubricant on the threads, so when you put them down in there, it's not difficult for the next person checking it in. And as a technician, you want to make sure it's easier coming back in than for the next job. But we'll do the valve cover gaskets, and spark plugs and coil packs are not too difficult on these. Self-explanatory.